This is 91 Gearbox, and today we're talking about an SUV that doesn't just command respect on the road, it dominates it with attitude and power. The Nissan Patrol Nismo is not your average full-size SUV. This is a machine built for those who want luxury, performance, and aggressive styling all wrapped into one bold package. From the moment you see it, the Patrol Nismo makes a strong statement. The front fascia is sharp and muscular, with a large V-motion grille, red Nismo accents, and an aggressive bumper design that instantly separates it from the standard Patrol. The wider stance, sporty side skirts, and exclusive Nismo alloy wheels give it a road presence that few SUVs can match. Under the hood, the Nissan Patrol Nismo is powered by a naturally aspirated 5.6-liter V8 engine, and this is where the magic really happens. This beast produces massive horsepower and torque, delivering instant throttle response and a deep, powerful exhaust note that sounds incredible. Unlike turbocharged engines, this V8 offers linear power delivery, making every press of the accelerator feel smooth yet brutal. Whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing it hard on open roads, the Patrol Nismo feels confident, stable, and surprisingly quick for its size. Inside the cabin, Nissan blends luxury with motorsport-inspired design. The seats are upholstered in a combination of leather and Alcantara, featuring red stitching and Nismo branding that adds a sporty feel without sacrificing comfort. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused, with a large infotainment screen, premium materials, and soft touch surfaces throughout. There's plenty of space for passengers in all three rows, making it a practical family SUV that doesn't compromise on performance. Even on long drives, the cabin remains comfortable, quiet, and refined. What really sets the Nissan Patrol Nismo apart is its handling. Nissan has tuned the suspension specifically for performance, making it firmer than the standard Patrol. This results in reduced body roll and improved stability at higher speeds. Despite being a large SUV, it feels surprisingly planted in corners. The steering is responsive, and the braking system is strong and confidence-inspiring, giving the driver complete control at all times. This SUV feels equally at home on smooth highways and aggressive driving routes. Of course, this wouldn't be a Patrol without off-road capability. While the Nismo version is more road-focused, it still retains Nissan's legendary durability. The intelligent four-wheel drive system, advanced traction control, and robust chassis mean it can handle rough terrain when needed. It's not built for extreme off-roading like some other variants, but it's more than capable for adventurous drives. The Nissan Patrol Nismo is for drivers who want something unique. It's for those who love the roar of a V8, the comfort of a luxury SUV, and the sporty edge of a performance machine. It stands out in a world where SUVs are becoming more generic. If you want an SUV that looks aggressive, feels powerful, and delivers an unforgettable driving experience, the Patrol Nismo is a serious contender. This has been 91 Gearbox, bringing you pure automotive passion.